Spiritually speaking, this means that you must pray to God for the strength to confront any changes in your life. It's a sign of progress and success. This message shows you are a charming and alluring person. Take advantage of this opportunity to set a good example for others. Remember that your angels and saints are with you while you go through your transformations. You will be pleased as these developments come to fruition and the universe aligns in your favor. Time to focus on yourself and your own interests and be aware of the persons around you. Choose your acquaintances smartly. Your angels are advising you to get ready so you can experience the lovely transformation they promised you. Never lose hope that things will work out well. They are assisting you in answering and giving you indications of what you are asking for. A leap of faith will only lead you to good life decisions. So have the courage to do it. Take full advantage of it because it will undoubtedly help you achieve your divine purpose. The divine want you to know that you possess the power. Spread your light and positivity to others at all times, because you will soon experience the manifestation of all of your positive thoughts. As long as you don't stray from your main point of focus, let others do the talk. This is a further indication that you should constantly be alert and aware of your surroundings. Along your journey, you always have the chance to run into new people. Your angels want you to be aware that not everyone you meet or encounter will have your best interests at heart, so you should never fully give yourself to a situation. Take care in deciding who you let into your life. You are shrewd enough to detect something amiss miles away. Always carry your strength and wisdom with you. Your angels are prepared to give you the brightest future you have ever imagined. They humbly implore you to let go of the past and to be forgiving. We, the people of this world, are merely ordinary humans. The mistake we made served only as a framework for us to avoid it in the future. You also must understand that every time you make a mistake, you not only unintentionally hurt the person you didn't mean to hurt, but also deeply hurt yourself internally. You should have faith that your angels can sense energy whenever something is off or bothering you. Never hesitate to ask for help from them, because it is their responsibility to lighten your burden and provide you with clarity. Always proceed with greater faith whenever you feel like stepping into the unknown. You can always count on God to be with you every step of the way. He will lead you if you put Him first in everything. Never be afraid to ask God for help when you are in need. Also, He will give you the strength and courage to overcome any obstacle in life. Even though you can't see the signs pointing you in the direction you're going, your angels will guide you to the place of your dreams. When you begin to doubt yourself, you become more likely to hesitate. So just have faith that God will enable you to see even though you lack vision. If you're unsure whether you took the right or wrong path, trust that God will always and promptly come to your aid. You will eventually reach the path that God has already paved for you.